So in Qwen, what you can actually do is you can utilize help me write option as well. So to do that in Qwen, when you open up a new chat, you can go around onto more, and then you can go ahead and choose help me write right here. So this is how you can actually go ahead and then start the prompt. You can choose, let's say for example, a particular preset right here, or what you can also do is, let's say for example, say help me write a story right here, just like this, a story about video games, let's say for example right here. So if I were to go ahead and send, then what happens is that using the help me write, you can see that the help me write prompt actually lets you go ahead and generate out the story easily. So you can see that it says the last level, and it says in the year 2047, reality had become optional and Earth was overcrowded, polluted, fractured by economic divides, but those who could afford it or were lucky enough to qualify. There was Nexora, the most immersive virtual reality game ever created. It wasn't just a game, it was a second life. Player could live entire years inside its vast AI-generated worlds while only hours pass outside. So you can see that this is what you have right here, and this is how you can actually go ahead and use the help me write feature inside of Qwen to generate out content. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.